Hello everyone. Welcome to Spring Boot Tutorial episode 11. This is my channel Proto Hub. In this video, we will discuss the annotations that we have come across so far till the episode 10. To discuss, we have a person with us. Hello Priya.
Hello Chan. Can we get started?
Yes Priya, we can. Before we discuss, I have a doubt. What is an annotation?
That was really a great question. Most of us don't know exactly what is annotation actually, but we use it. Annotation is actually a tag that represents some metadata. It also have some additional classes and interfaces in it that will also perform some functionality when it is used in business logic.
Wow, greatly explained. Let's move on to the annotations one by one. First, let's look into the bean annotation. This is a method-level annotation used to register a bean or an object on IOC container. Whenever @configuration annotation is used in any class, you can find the bean annotated methods over there. The bean name will be same as the method name.
Then, we will talk about @component annotation. It is a class-level annotation used to register the bean of a class on IOC container. Then, we will talk about the configuration annotation. It is a class-level annotation used to register extra beans in the context. Then, there comes auto-wired annotation. It is used to fetch the registered bean from IOC container. It is annotated at the field level.
Great. Now, let me explain qualifier annotation. It is a field-level annotation used to specify which bean to be chosen for auto-wiring. It also resolves the ambiguity raised by the application during bean registration. After that, here comes primary annotation. It is used to set preferences over same type of beans. It is a class level and method level annotation.
Understood Chan. Let me explain required argument constructor annotation. It is used to perform constructor-based injection, and it is also an alternate approach to auto-wiring. Now, we will shortly look into Spring Boot application annotation. It performs the features of 3 other annotations by itself.
Okay, but those 3 annotations are @configuration, @enable auto configuration, and @component scan. We have already discussed configuration annotation. Now, let me explain enable auto configuration annotation. Without explicit custom configurations, to automatically configure the jar dependency, enable auto configuration annotation is used. Component scan annotation is used to scan the packages and register the bean for the classes that are annotated with component. At last, we can discuss scope annotation. It is used to specify the scope of the registered bean in IOC container. There are 5 bean scopes. They are singleton, prototype, session, request and global session. That's it. So far we have discussed few annotations that we have come across till episode 10 in this tutorial. Are we good Priya?
Yes Chan, we are good. So in the next episode, we will discuss some most frequently asked interview questions till episode 10. Until then, thank you, bye bye.